Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. I'm going to meet up with my little Chihuahua Mookie back in Calgary, and we're going to get some takeout and take it to my tiki bar. First up, I'm going to make a quick drink. This is called a brass monkey, so I just have a highball glass full of ice, and we'll go 2 ounces of vodka and 2 ounces of white rum. And we'll finish off with a little OJ. And that is a brass monkey. Coming up next, we're going back to Calgary. This is what Mookie and I got from the Vietnamese beef stew noodle house. So we got the traditional Vietnamese spring rolls. And they got a nice dipping sauce. I think there's a little bit of fish sauce involved with that. And then the banh mi, they had about 8 or 9 different kinds of banh mi. They actually had 3 different kinds of pork banh mi. I got the broiled charred pork banh mi. And there was 2 other kinds of pork banh mi that you could have got. Giant sandwich. I might have to cut it in half and have the other half for lunch. Looks excellent. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.